Okay, guys, this is not finished. This is not sewn together at all. This is what you call an artist at work. When we're working some out and we're not quite sure what we want to do with it. But you guys know how a lot of the red carpet events, they have these ball gowns, and these ball gowns be just like through across the shoulders and something like that going. These pins are sticking me. Sorry, so I put some darts here to kind of make this, but to secure the dress, to ensure that it doesn't fall off my shoulders or anything, I'm thinking about putting like a chain in the back to connect it from here to here. So that's going to keep it up on the shoulders, but then to keep it to the breast, like some double-sided tape. And if you guys see, I got these darts, so that's going to curve over there, but just kind of just have the sleeve, have the back of the dress just draping, kind of like that, like a cape style, kind of not connected at all, just kind of using like the double side tape and maybe a nice thin belt that goes around it and ties in the front. Oh, these pins are sticking the heck out of me. Oh, that hurts. But this is just a designer at work. I don't know what I want to do. I was in Walmart and they had this little fabric and it was like $5. So I'm like, oh, okay, let me get it. Let me try it. So just something flowy, just something sexy, just something different, if you guys see. And then I don't got it lined up right neither, guys, because remember, this is not sewn. I just cut this and put the skirt on. And so remember, it's not even centered right, because basically I want this part to be, I probably have to cut it some more. So you see how it's not centered. But I want that long piece, ouch, to be right in the middle. And that'll be in the middle in the front, and in the middle in the back, and then shorter on the sides, guys. So I just kind of wanted to show you guys kind of something that I was thinking of. And like I said, this ain't done yet. So, and then I can either make the elastic, like scrunch that up like that, or, you know, this one, like I say, with the sleeves, you can have the ability to tie it, you know, different ways. And you could take it and, you know, wrap it. And I got to be careful, these pins, and kind of take it and boom, tie it in a nice little knot. And kind of have it something like that. So, like I said, this is just the artists at work. I'm not sure what I want to do, but I thought this red was very cute, very sexy. And like I said, these darts, just to make this go curvature. And if you guys see, they're not even centered in the right place. It's not sewn yet. I just was pinning and playing. So I just wanted to show you guys kind of, you know, like when the wheels get to turning on the bus before I put something together, just kind of wanted to show you guys. If you guys in Walmart and y'all see some fabric that you like and the wheels on the bus start turning and you like, oh, I don't know what I want to do, and just get it and just play around with it. So that's what I'm doing right now, just playing around with it, guys. And when I figured out kind of how I want to do it, then I go from there. But definitely double side tape. Definitely double side tape. So I just like the way I had it just draped over, you know, with nothing. But that's why I was saying the darts, to give it that curvature. So if you guys see, like when you get to the ends, the curvature. So artist just playing around, guys. So if you guys get some fabric and you want to play around with it, just play around. Try out this fabric. It was at Walmart for $5, guys. Thank you guys for watching. God bless. Bye-bye. Again, guys, these are a couple pictures just playing around with the dress. Like I say, the dress is not assembled yet. Still haven't quite figured out what I wanted to do, but just wanted to give you guys some creative ideas and let you guys know that Walmart had some fabric already pre-cut, $5, that you guys can pick up and just try something out, something different. So yeah, It's not assembled. It's not sewed. The only thing it is sewn, cut into a circle skirt and around my waist and just tied. So happy sewing, guys. So you guys create awesome projects. Thank you guys for watching.